Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So for today, no intro or no nothing, we're going to try on the Skin Aqua Tone Up UV Spray. As you guys know, we're in Bali, and yeah, perfect time to actually use this. I used this yesterday, and it was kind of okay. So it does have an SPF of 50 plus and PA plus 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 plus. It says it defends against UV light and bring out your skin's translucency. So you shake it first, and then the mist is actually fine, if you can see. Nice. So what you do, I already have my skincare, so I'm just going to spray it directly to my face. Can you see that? So it does spray, and it has this cooling, like mist, cooling mist. It's a mist, Victoria, stupid. Feeling that it leaves your skin. It's actually not sticky. And then I'll also spray this underneath my neck, at the back. Don't forget the back of your neck. And as you can see, it doesn't leave any like white residue if you're wearing your swimwear. I will spray it on actually all over. Okay, hubby just finished taking a shower. Spray. Just remember, don't breathe while you're doing this.
Huh?
Nag-video ang lola mo. Do you want to see hubby? Okay. It's not sticky. It's like you're wearing a BB cream, but you're not. Remember to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you're out in the sun. Next is the Catrice Slim Matic Ultra Precise Eyebrow Pencil. I used this yesterday and it was good. Even when we're traveling, a must is asawa what? Kilay is life, eyebrows is life. So it has this small, yeah, that's why it's Slimmatic. It's small. Can you see? Yeah. So I'll just use it to fill in my eyebrows. It does claim to be waterproof. If we go swimming today, we'll be able to test it out. See whether my eyebrows or my kilay would still be there. Hubby is changing. Let me know at the comment section below if you've watched my previous videos, or day one in Bali. Do you like those type of videos wherein we just show you like snippets of the activities that we have done in a day? I think those type of videos would only be like, the most would be 10 minutes long. Unlike if I really do a proper vlog wherein we'll be talking, telling you where we are. We'll just be showing you snippets. At least you see the places that we go to.
Lotion.
Lotion. I would not use any eyebrow gel. So that's how the key light would look like. And then, just because we're traveling or we're going out somewhere later, it doesn't mean you have to forget your concealer. This is a very good concealer, the Garnier one. I think it's 1990 in Watson's. It's not sticky, it's not thick. I mean, it's a light concealer wherein it's good enough that it will cover your dark circles. Then pounds. And then whatever extra, I will just spread it across my face. And then at the bottom, just spread it out. Later I'll show you how this looks like in natural light. Okay, so we're outside our balcony and this is how it looks like in natural daylight. You have to say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I'll be back with a check-in on how it wears out throughout the day and how I actually reapply my sunscreen, because sunscreen is important, not just because you're going to swim. As long as you're outside, you have to wear sunscreen. Right, Mr. De La Cruz?
Yeah.
Do you wear sunscreen?
No. Later.
Okay, and I'm back. Unfortunately, I was not able to do any check-ins throughout my trip in Bali, because I think it's a good thing, because it only means that I was living the moment and enjoying myself, that I actually forgot that I'm supposed to do a check-in and review for the Skin Aqua. Can you guys still notice that I'm tired? Skin Aqua Tone Up UV Spray. So this is actually a Japanese brand, and they do claim that they have an SPF 50 plus, PA plus. I think I've said that just now. And the Skin Aqua Tone Up UV Mist, it color corrects your skin tone, which I'm using it right now because I think I'm sunburned, kinda, a little bit. That's why I still have red marks. It brightens dull skin, which I totally agree. I'll be inserting pictures of me when I was using this in Bali, and you can actually see that my skin tone was actually even. I liked it. And it has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and pure nuance complex. It's infused with skincare, which is good. And I'm still wearing it. I didn't put any powder, and it's not sticky. And I like, because the texture of your face would be actually smooth. It's not sticky, I enjoy it. The only downside is, I think I'm going to finish this soon, is because when you spray, can you see that? Then it would create this mist around you, and it's kind of irritating. But I guess having this as a spray helps you with reapplication all throughout. I like it because it has this cooling feeling when it touches your skin. If you're reapplying it outside, it's like you're treating your skin to a nice, yeah, you're just treating your skin to something nice. This is what happens when you actually don't reapply your sunscreen as needed. Maybe a word of caution, not because it's not sun and bright, and you would say, never mind, just I will not wear sunscreen because it's not sunny. Yeah, right. If you're like staying or having your vacation in a very like near the beach, wherein it's still windy and all the wind will actually yeah no so reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. I'm so glad that I used this during my trip, although I was not able to reapply as often as I need. Just imagine if I didn't use sunscreen, I'll be totally burned, toasted. So now this is it's not even blush on. This is like me slightly burned, and if you see my color is like tan and all, but I don't mind. So let's try. The next is the Catrice Slim Matic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This which I actually like. It 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 actually stayed quite a long time. They do say that it's waterproof. I'm not so sure whether it was waterproof because I didn't swim. Yeah, surprisingly, people go to Bali like me, don't even get to swim. Our hotel has this gorgeous swimming pool. I just look at it at the morning and at night. Went to the beach, I also didn't swim. Went to the waterfall, I also didn't swim. So I like it because not because it's actually waterproof, but because it actually stayed. It was easy to apply. It's creamy, and when it's there, it's there. I mean, you don't. Can you see that? I'm not flicking you off. So like this. See? Which is good. Of course, if you keep on rubbing it, I guess it's going to be removed. But if you were like, I have one video that I was washing my face and tan a lot, and yeah, after washing and dabbing my face, then getting blessed and all, my eyebrows were still there. I will show you a video. I will show you a photo. So this is like a must, like for me, I guess. I don't think I'm going to buy the Aqua Tone Up UV spray because if you can hear, for $15, but it's good. I like it. So whether would I purchase it again if we do go out, and I'm not so sure, but yes, I liked it. The eyebrow pencil is like I guess like $5. I'll be purchasing it again if I get a chance to go to Watson's. I'll buy it because I actually liked it. Surprisingly, I liked it, and I like the color. It was easy to apply and all, and it lasted the day. So that's it. If you like this type of videos wherein I try to give you not first impression but at least review on the products that I've been using, like if you like it, you just let me know at the comment section below, because I know when I buy certain items, as much as I want to share it with you guys on the spot and my first impressions, I guess I don't really rely on first impression because I do have other products that I've tried that at first I was like, ooh, 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 ha, ha, ha. I liked it so much and I'll be raving, and then but after a few tries I would be like, ah, I don't like it as much as the first time. And there would be also other products that I've used, then like said, this is not for me. But when I give it a second chance and a third chance, somehow, yeah, I get the idea of why people are liking it. And sometimes it's also because of what your skin condition is at the moment when you try other items. So yeah, I'm rambling like crazy, and I'm glad to be back talking about makeup. And if you watch the vlogs for our Bali trip, let me know in the comment section below what do you think about it. I'll put the video links at the description box. So yeah, I'm tired. I feel like I'm going to fall sick. So if you like this type of videos, please do give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos at least once a week. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet.